Good evening, friends. I hope that all of you must be doing fantastic. And now we are here as the day 4 of Grow Your Vocabulary. So today, what I'll be doing is at the end of this video, I'll be giving you the revision of all the 8 or plus 8, 16 words that we have learned till now. Okay. So now, and one more thing is that, see, हम learn तो कर लेते हैं उस टाइम पे, but आगे जाके क्या होता है हम भूल जाते हैं, right? This happens with a lot of people and this happens with me as well. So this is natural, don't worry for that. So इसके लिए I'll make a separate video in which I'll be telling you that how you can remember this Grow Your Vocabulary series whenever you just learn any word, okay? So I'll make a different video for that. Now, today let's see that what is the first word that we are going to take for the how to pronounce the words in a correct manner. So what is the first word that we are going to take? See, this is the first word. Okay. So how do we pronounce this word? Any guesses? How do we pronounce this word? So let me tell you my experience. From my experience till now, I used to pronounce it as cucumber. As cucumber. Okay? But this was wrong, my friends. The pronunciation for this word is cucumber. The first syllable has to be saying in such a way that's Q and it's cumber. That's cucumber. Okay, so from now on, please stop calling it as cucumber and start saying it as cucumber. Now coming to the second word. See, what is the second word for today? Okay, so tell me, how do we pronounce this word? Then also, cucumber is a part of the vegetable. Okay, so how do we pronounce it as? I used to pronounce it as vegetable, and I hope that most of us will be pronouncing it as vegetable only. But guys, we are wrong. It has to be pronounced as vegetable. It's vegetable. It's not vegetable. Okay? So from now, please start calling it as vegetable, and the second word is cucumber. Okay, got my point? So are we done for the words today? The first word is cucumber, and the second word is vegetable. Now coming to what are the two words for the Grow Your Vocabulary series day 4 today. The first word is this. The word is quell. Now how do we pronounce this word as quell? Okay. Now what is the meaning of this word? Any guesses? Do you know the meaning of this word? The meaning of this word is it's basically to end up something or to quit something. When you want to stop something or when you want to quit something, to basically put a stop at something is known as quell. Now, how can we remember this word? We can remember this word from the word tell. इसको कैसे याद रख सकते हैं ये देखिए. Whenever a person is angry, right? And you want to tell him that please stop this anger. Okay, so you need to tell that person, right? That stop it please, tell. So you can learn it from the word tell. The word quell can be learned from the word tell. Okay, got my point, friends? Okay, now what is the sentence formation? How would be the sentence formation? You know the meaning now. The meaning is to put a stop, put an end on something, or to quit something is known as quell. Okay, that's a very easy word. Now what is the sentence formation for this word would be? The sentence formation would be, I have eaten pizza today to quell my cravings. मैंने आज पिज्जा खाया अपनी cravings को stop करने के लिए. I had cravings, so just to stop it, I had eaten pizza today. Okay, got my point, guys? I hope that this first word is clear with all of you. Now coming to the second word. See, what is the second word for today? I guess this word is very common and we use this word a lot of times, but let's see that what is the meaning of this word. The word is paradigm. Okay, the pronunciation for this word is paradigm. Now what is the meaning of this thing? The meaning of this word is basically it's a typical or standard example of something is known as paradigm. And guys, you will be very amused to see this thing that we can learn this word very, very easily. Now, what would be the rhyming word for this paradigm? Rhyming word for paradigm. I guess rhyme itself, right? So rhyme itself. From rhyme, you can learn paradigm. Now, The meaning, as I've already told you, a standard example of something is known as paradigm. Now, what would be the sentence formation from this word would be? If you know it, then please write it down in the comment box. Okay, so the sentence formation from this word would be, she is the paradigm of a perfect woman. She is the paradigm of a perfect woman. Okay, so she is the standard example of a perfect woman. Now, got my point? I guess both the words quell as well as paradigm is being understood by you. These are very easy words. So what are the words that we have learned for today are, the first word that we have learned is cucumber, the second word is vegetable, the third word is quell, and the fourth word is paradigm. Okay, so now coming to the what are the 8 words and how to pronounce it in the right manner, plus 8 vocabulary words. 16 words we have learned till now. So let's take a quick revision of the words. First of all, I would be telling you how to pronounce it in a right way. So the first word was says. The second word was vehicle. The third word was clothes. The fourth word was sword. The fifth word was epitome. The sixth word was infamous. The seventh word was cucumber. The eighth word was vegetable. Okay, so I hope these words are clear with all of you. Now, coming to the grow your vocabulary, what are the 8 words that we have learned till now? The first word was suave. What was the meaning of suave? It was well-mannered person. The second word was bling. That meant expensive jewelry or accessory. The third word was confer. It meant meeting, okay, to discuss something. The fourth word was yield. What was the meaning of yield? To supply something productive. The fifth word was bestow. So what was the meaning of bestow? Bestow means to provide something to someone in special reference of respect. Okay, so what was the next word? The next word was dissent, whereas it means that there is a difference in the opinions. And then the seventh word was quell. Quell means that you are putting an end to something or to quite something. Now, what was the last word that we have learned for now is paradigm. Paradigm is a standard example of something. So I guess that you have seen, you must be amazed seeing this, that how can I remember all the words? Guys, I do the revision. The answer to this word is revision only. Okay, so you also do revision, and also, as I told you, on Saturdays we'll do the worksheets for all the words that we have learned till now. So that's why I did the revision today. So on Saturday, I'll be providing you with a worksheet. At the end of the session, you need to fill that worksheet. Then only you are being honest to yourself. If you honestly want to learn something, then you need to be honest. Okay, so please fill that worksheet on Saturday, and we'll be back on Saturday. Okay, thank you so much.